Let's go over how to convert a quadratic in standard form to vertex form. So, as a refresher, a quadratic in standard form is any quadratic in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, and vertex form is any quadratic in the form of a times x minus h squared plus k. Now, there are two main ways that we usually convert a quadratic from standard to vertex form, and I'm going to show you one of the ways, which is to utilize the vertex formula. So, to get our vertex form, there are three values that we need, which is our a, h, and k. Now, luckily for us, the a in both the standard and vertex form are the same value. And in this case, our a is going to be 1 because there's nothing in front of our x squared, which means it's just 1. So a is going to be equal to 1. Now, to find our h, we're going to be using our vertex formula. And as a refresher, that's going to be negative b all over 2 times a. And in this case, our b is 16 and our a is 1, so we're going to plug that in, and that'll give us negative 16 all over 2 times 1, which will simplify to give us negative 16 all over 2, which is equal to negative 8. Now to find our k, we're going to plug in our negative 8 into our function and essentially evaluate what f of negative 8. And when we do that, that'll give us negative 8 squared plus 16 times negative 8 plus 60, which will give us ultimately negative 4. Now we have our a, h, and k, so all we need to do is plug it into our vertex form of our function. So that'll give us f of x equal to 1 times x minus a negative 8, all that squared, plus a negative 4. And we know that 1 times anything is itself, so we don't need to write the 1. And then x minus a negative 8 is the same thing as x plus 8. And then we can just say minus 4. So this will give us x plus 8 squared minus 4. And there you go.